Sweltering summers? Freezing winters? Tired of breakdowns and sky-high bills? It's time for a trusted HVAC contractor in Bay Area, Houston, Texas. Your search ends with Spears AC and Heating, your go-to HVAC contractor in Bay Area, Houston, Texas, delivering reliable comfort for homes and businesses. From diagnostics and repairs to complete installations with premium systems, we bring expert service, energy savings, and 24/7 reliability. Serving the Bay Area, Houston with honesty and top warranties. For HVAC excellence, call Spears AC and Heating at 832-420-2665. Visit www.spearsairconditioning.com for your free estimate. Spears AC and Heating, comfort perfected.